Now coming back to the next two levels. The next level is a apply level. Since we know now recall and understand two levels. Now the third level is a apply level. The apply level means the knowledge is used in a new situation. So what are the action verbs? Action verbs will be apply, calculate, solve, predict. So basically in apply level they are not applying it in a known situation, familiar situation. Instead they have learned some concept and they are trying to apply it to the available or in the new situation. So it is definitely more than understand level. So now let us see what is the example. Now this is the example wherein a situation is given to them. This is the example wherein situation is given to them, and for a given situation, now what all they are supposed to do, students supposed to do, they have to decide what is the block diagram, what will be a truth table, how truth table will satisfy this given condition, and then they will realize it using gates. So little bit decision making is also done by student here. Not only they are recollecting it from their memories, not only they are interpreting it, but they are trying to apply it in a different situation. Now let us see what is the example. Now example is this. Now let us move to the next level, that is the analyze level. Now there is very thin difference between these two levels. Analyze is, there is a big problem. Now this big problem is split into the small problems, and then you will solve that small problem as well as you will connect them together. So what action verbs we can use is analyze, infer, examine, dissect, ascertain. So now let us see what is the example of this. Example of this level is implement BCD to binary decoder. Now what it means, now first student need to translate this, that BCD to binary decoder, what is the function of it. Then once they translate this situation, they will apply truth tables, they will decide what are the gates, they will try to minimize a function, and then they may come up with the final gate. So here the different principles are used, different principles are connected together, and then it is implemented through hardware block. So this is the analyze level. Now again there is activity. Same, now I think you are familiar with this activity. I will directly go to the question. Here you have to identify what is the level of this learning objective. Please read question carefully, pair up, decide a choice, and then when I will say vote, you can vote. This is the answer. Now why this is the answer? Because looking at the situation, basic gates and functions are taught in the classroom, and in a problem solving session what is given is, for a problem solving session this is what is a learning objective, that is they will able to draw and explain operation of multiplexer. Now multiplexer is being a new situation for student, only what is going on in multiplexer will be explained, and after that student are going to apply, they will recall, they will understand, interpret, and then apply their knowledge in a new situation. But this does not go to analyze level. Why it is not an analyze level? Because concepts are not integrated here. Too many concepts, there is no various concepts which are integrated and done in the multiplexer. Multiplexer is just a new situation for student. So this is at the apply level. So now this is the activity for you. Same activity, you have to write learning objectives for apply level and analyze level in the same course what you have selected. Maybe you can stick to the same topic, but if it is introductory you may not able to write at apply or analyze level, then you can select another topic as well for the same course.